Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install an iPhone-like keyboard on Redmi A3 Pro. If you want your keyboard to look like the iPhone one, go to Play Store, then make sure you're in Search tab and click on Search at the top and search for green Apple keyboard. Then tap on Install next to this green app with Apple on it, and after a short while you can click on Open, then tap on Enable in Settings and tap on Off here, OK, and it gets on. Then you can go back, then switch input methods and switch it to green Apple keyboard and tap on OK. Then finished. If you want, you can adjust some settings about the keyboard here, and when you're done you can exit out of the app, and now whenever you go, for example, to Google or Notes or anything else, you'll see your keyboard here and you'll be able to use it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.